Today we will make a real Draisine using a chainsaw motor. We will use it as a vehicle like a metro last light. First thing we need are some new wheels for the project. Here they are. That is going to be a sprocket for the shaft. Last time we've got this wheel turn off. It was a bad accident. I just mean that someone had broken it. Oh, never mind. I have installed the other wheels from the car, and that was awesome. But now it's high time to make a Draisine. And maybe go to the train station, that will be fun. There are the wheels I showed you before. And now I wonder if they're gonna suit the shaft. If not, that would be not nice. Really? That is awesome. Oh, I see something here. And we can use the attached wheels profoundly. And that would be awesome. That is a regular Soviet shaft. And these are the regular jiggly bearings. And this time we have brakes. You guys just kept talking about brakes. So here they are. Enjoy. I got that its width doesn't suit the rails. So we need to do some welding here. It is bent. I have to cut it. Let's put it out. Let's weld it now. But why? Because it will serve as a protection from fall. That will be nice, because we are going to go with a speed from 20 to 50 km per hour. And just that easy I will get this done. Like that. Right? Like this. Hey, doggo. Like on a factory, but better. I can't imagine that the rails are that wide. I always imagine that I can cross them in one step. I'm gonna give it a push and we will see the results. That's gonna be the test drive for the shaft. Someone lost a bra. They were in a hurry, I suppose. Perfect. Don't worry, we aren't gonna fall. That will be the front part. This frame is made from jiggly parts. That will be the front seat. We're gonna let someone sit here and screaming out loud. Click. Seat. And... here we go. Hey guys, I also took care about safety for the passengers. This time we have the safety belts. This safety belt will save them in case they will drop out like on a roller coaster ride. But on the other hand, I don't care about this seat moving. Well, it will be looking like this, I suppose. You think how we are going to move it? Fold it. Then take. But what is next? There's a special lever, right there. Now we can fold the entire Draisine. How do you like this course of events? One vehicle has caught another, and another doesn't mind. How do you spend your weekends? Just like always, we're going to ride the railroad.
Bow, bow, bow. Boom, boom, boom. Meow, 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 meow. Whoa, 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 whoa. Get the body, whoa, whoa, whoa.
I'm just thinking of soundtrack. Once it has been lively here. There were lots of people on the station waiting for the local train. But as you can see now, in 5 years it all turned into rust. By now these rails mustn't have any contact voltage. Let's see if it is so. Alright. Yeah, nothing. Okay, that doesn't spoil our weekends. These rails are free for riding. We're gonna build our own tram to use these rails. The suspension works so nicely, but actually I didn't install any. Give me a hand with that wheel, will you? Yeah, right. There we are. Let's try to push it and see what happens. And after this, we'll ride it. That looks like a rail car from the metro last light. Yeah, you're right, it's like Regina. It lacks a machine gun.
Hi, I'm Johnny Knoxville, and welcome to Kreosan video channel.
And today we're going to ride the most viewable vehicle can be created in your garage, using metal scrap, grinder and welding. Yo, that is Regina. The throttle looks like this, because this way the driver can sit anywhere, both back seat and the passenger seat. Let's pull the rope and start it. Riding it is extremely scary, it is really rapid, but it goes smoothly with no shaking. I was going just 30 km per hour, and that is pretty much for this little beauty, I should say. I would tinker it a little better, but I don't have a screwdriver with me. Bad. Oh, there's one! I was kidding. Give me a sec and I will make it go even faster. I told that guy going in a bike, and what we have now. Good job, sons, well done. And hey, that isn't that scary. How can this be scary? You just launched this little one, guys. In 15 years maybe the government may launch the railroad again. Let's try some drag racing on this beauty. Hang on, guys, I need to pump some fuel, wait. That's how we polish the rails, it's so smooth. That is rough and there is so smooth now. The Draisine has passed the test drive. Well, jump in now. I'm afraid. I mean jump in, or it will go without you. There's no time after. Sit, come on. We need to go to the city center, thank you. Stas said he will take me here for $100. Maybe you should spin the rotor arm. Stas! What? Out goes! We're going fine! Let's add some, shall we? Oh yeah!
Постой! Проводник! Не стучите колеса! Кондуктор! Нажми на тормоза!
Normal people go on the bridge up there, they don't have a notion what is happening here.
Внизу может проезжать.
Hey, do you need a ride?
Надо!
That is just a new mean of transport.
Движение.
There's the bridge. What's the engine there? Is it Minsk? No! It is Euro chainsaw. Tell us why the rails are so askew in our republic. Putin works too badly. Doesn't do anything and sees nothing. All this waiting, if I take a ruler, I can see that it's all askew myself. I used the Soviet standard and did all according to the scheme. It drops cause the rails are askew. Once it was a locomotive factory. That is my station. Grand thanks to you that you helped me. I go to the city center really fast. That could have taken me a couple of hours going by bus, I'm sure. Well, we're tired of rails by now, and we're going to try a ride on this football field, and we will see how it goes on the ground. As you can see, if we add some tracks to it, this one will become all-terrain. Let's take the keys for a ride first, they're just waiting here. And then we can do some drag racing. Come on, jump on everybody. Really? There you can see two of you. And someone can step right here. I hope we'll be okay. Careful. Don't look like you're going to have an accident. No, 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 will not. That's it, we aren't going to go anywhere. You wanna say it wasn't you who said it's gonna be okay? It was a minute ago. The hot Japanese axle was turned off. It was a very stubborn Japanese part. How is that possible? I'm going to cry. This is how the real experiment ends. Watch the video, subscribe and smash likes. In our next video we'll assemble a brand new, some super engine for a boat using some spare parts, and we will pump out those two wheel chambers from the ATV. And we're gonna sail on this boat, so watch, sub and like.